So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to detach audio from video in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up your iMovie app. After that you can see your movie, some projects you've added. So click on one of those projects and click on edit. Now make sure that you have sound on these projects and you can see the audio files look like this. It will be underneath your clip. So if you wish to detach it, you can just go ahead and click on this. Now, once you click on that, you can see at the bottom the scissor icon. Then you can see that speed limit, or you can see your how fast your video goes. You can see the sound, then text, as well as some filters that you can add on your video. Now, in order to detach audio from video, click on the scissor icon and you will see the option detach. So if I click on this, I can click on that and you can see underneath it will just give you some options about setting up that audio file, and you can see you can also have the scissor options, the kind of how fast it goes, the how loud it is. You can see some backgrounds and you can also delete that audio file. So right now they're detached. If you wish to just remove that, you can go ahead and click on delete. But if it's going to be detached, you can just leave it as it is. So it's really simple. Just click on that, and once it's highlighted, you click the detach options under scissors. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.